Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add virtual background on a Zoom meeting. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting application, and I'm going to show you how we can add background to our video. If you want to add background or change background, you can click on the symbol, this little arrow, and then you can select the adjust background and effect. Okay, and then choose virtual backgrounds for your Zoom. I'm going to try it one by one to show you. Okay. You can blur your background as well if you want to blur it. And for the background, I'm just going to choose this grass background. Or if you want to add your own picture, you can click on this plus icon, and then you can select add image or video for your background. I'm just going to select image, and for example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on open. Okay, and now the virtual background has been applied. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add virtual background on Zoom meeting. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.